Hello guys and welcome to another installment of Computers and Technology. And as you can tell by the title, today we have another failure video. Well, actually this failure video was supposed to be a success because my repair attempt was supposed to be a success. But I have been troubleshooting for the past like 3.5, 4 hours, and I think I finally found the problem with this power supply. If you haven't been on Facebook and you haven't heard what I did to this yet, I was actually trying to charge a lead acid battery. It was really late at night and I wasn't paying attention. Now let me just say things went wrong to make a long story short. And by the way, this is going to be a pretty short video. I'm going to try to throw some extra footage in of what I have actually done already, because I tried to tape some of this, but then I just got frustrated and stopped filming to focus mainly on the troubleshooting aspect and not so much the production part. So I have some footage, but most of it is off camera. So let me tell you what the heck I have been doing all day. I really wanted to get a couple other videos out, maybe 1 or 2 more videos out this week, but I don't think I am. Looks like I'm going to have to wait till the weekend. But you can see I have the power supply apart right now. I actually took all this out earlier to desolder some components, and that's pretty much all I've been doing. I smell awful. I just smell like smoke. Even though I have my fume extractor and the window was open, it smells really bad in here. Oh my god, today has just been, yeah, it's been one of those days, guys. So let me walk you through everything that has led up to this point. For some reason, I just made a really stupid assumption at the beginning and assumed that this 213.055 transistor on the back of the power supply had gone bad. Turns out today I just found out that it is perfectly fine. I could have saved a lot of time and $2 because I already ordered some transistors off eBay. If you want to check these out, the link will be in the description. Yeah, but I tested this out today. Turns out it's perfectly fine. I don't know why I didn't test it out beforehand. Don't ask me. That was really silly. Okay, so next, I pulled this entire board out right here. It wasn't too hard to get out. There's 4 screws on each corner of the board. And there's also a couple cables that you have to unplug. And these are soldered onto the board for some reason. That's really annoying. I don't know why everything else can be unplugged except for these 2 cables. So that's kind of a pain in the butt. But I was still able to get it out. And once I got it out, tested out all the diodes on the board. Tested out all of the capacitors on the board. So yeah, lots of desoldering today. Tested out the transistors on the board. And of course, I glanced over it a couple times just to make sure nothing was visually damaged. And it wasn't. So was really stuck there. Then I pulled out this big filter cap, and I think this is the problem. This is a 50-volt 4700 microfarad Nippon Chemicon. There we go. Nippon Chemicon electrolytic capacitor, and I think this has gone bad. All right, so I have my NEWCASON XC6013L capacitance meter out, and we're just going to quickly test out this capacitor. Of course, it has been fully discharged and it is out of the circuit, so I'm just going to hook up both the leads. If I could do it with one hand, there we go. And it is set to the 20 millifarad range. And yeah, that should be reading around 4.7 because it's 4700 microfarads. But as you can see, we're about double that. So that's definitely a little suspicious. So I think that might be the culprit of the power supply failure. I have ordered 2 of these off eBay. I think they were like $8 and they're supposed to get here on Thursday. So hopefully I can get a repair video out on Thursday and actually have this thing back up and running, because this is my primary testing power supply. I also have a cheaper Elenco power supply over there, but it doesn't put out as much current. So yeah, definitely want to get this thing back in commission as soon as possible. That rating is definitely off there. So I'm really hoping this is the problem. That's going to be about it for this video. I'm going to go ahead and throw the power supply back together and get all this leaded solder off my desk. It's like everywhere, so I need to bring a vacuum in here and clear all this off, because I doubt that's too good for you. I really hope that's the fix. It's not too big of a deal because these power supplies are pretty cheap on Amazon. You could probably pull one off for like maybe $35, but then again, that's $35 I don't have, and I'd rather just pay, you know, the $8 for the capacitor. So really hoping that's the fix, and I'm gonna go ahead and clean everything up and end the video. There we go, now everything's nice and clean. Took a little while, but I got all that garbage off my desk. And yes, hopefully next week there will be a video detailing the replacement of the capacitor inside this power supply, as long as they arrive in time, which hopefully they do. That's going to be about it for this video, guys. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, you can go ahead and post a comment in the comment section. You weren't really supposed to gain too much from this video. This is really more of just a vlog / update of what exactly I have been up to. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to drop a like on this video if you did. didn't like it, please tell me why. Besides the fact that you didn't really gain anything from it. Once again, just a little vlog slash update. So yeah, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe. You know how to support me. You can check out all those links in the description. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next installment of AA Computers and Technology, where actually I'll give you guys a sneak peek just for sticking through this video. This is a 5.25-inch bay. It holds 4 2.5-inch SATA hard drives. So this is really awesome. Really looking forward to making a review about this. That's coming up in the next video. Once again, thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you next time.